Hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sammie-tm. On today's episode, I will teach you guys how to steal backdrop. With no further ado, let's dive into the tutorial. This is the image. I saw the image on IG, so I had to screenshot it for this purpose. So first of all, you screenshot the background, then you put it in Photoshop. So this is the image. So first of all, we duplicate it. Use our patch tool. So just come here and Ctrl D to deselect. So we are done with the first phase. So we need to take out the subject. So in order to take out the subject, we just select subject. We go to select and say subject. So that's selected the subject. So we just come here to polygon lasso tool and right click and we go down to fill. So content aware. So just follow these settings and say okay, and just give it some time. So after this, you press the Ctrl D to deselect the selected area. Then you take your patch tool to mark. Let's do it again to mark. Then we do again. We'll apply fill. See, okay. And voila, that is it. So you press your Ctrl D on window, Command D on Mac, then you see this place. It's not looking shit. You can just use your clone stamp tool to just press down your alternate key, then take a sample, then you cover it. So take a sample, and cover it. So that's all. Let's do it for take a sample. Okay, so the next is we use our mixer brush to clean up this dirt. So use our mixer brush too. So we just brush it to make everything even. Now to add a bit of texture, we will just add noise. So come down to filter. This is your noise. You add noise. So just 3 amounts. So that is how you steal the backdrop. So this is our before and this is our after. So you just go to your export and save for web and you're done. So thank you guys for watching. See you on my next tutorial. Bye.